Pause for a moment, listen carefully. You pray, you make dua, but still you feel distant from Allah. You are doing what you are supposed to, praying, trying, but something feels off. Your salah feels empty, your dua feels like words, and deep inside, you start wondering, why don't I feel connected? Why does my heart feel far even when I am trying? What if you are just disconnected, not from prayer, but from presence? You are standing in salah, but your mind is somewhere else. Your heart is somewhere else, and slowly it becomes routine, not connection. Allah says, so woe to those who pray but are heedless of their prayer. Surah Al-Maun. Not those who don't pray, but those who pray without presence. And Allah also says, remember me and I will remember you. Surah Al-Baqarah. So, if the remembrance feels missing, maybe it's not reaching the heart. Your heart was not created to live on autopilot. It needs sincerity, it needs attention because Allah does not just look at your action, He looks at your heart. And maybe the reason you feel distant is because your heart is filled with other things, distractions, constant noise, things pulling you away, and there's no space left for that connection. So don't just pray, be present, slow down your salah, understand what you are saying. Even if it's just one moment, one sincere dua can change everything. You are not far from Allah. You just need to turn back with your heart. And the moment you do, you will feel it, that connection, that peace, because Allah was never distant. If this reminded your heart, come back to it when your prayer starts to feel heavy.